Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to share my drawing journey with you guys and the strategies that I use to improve my drawing from this to this. First of all, let me show you some of my early drawings. For those who do not know, I started drawing in 2016 I guess, but from October 2022 I started practicing drawing anime character, especially anime characters, daily. Those who are following me from the beginning knows very well. So when I was a child, I guess in 2016, I was a huge fan of Marvel characters, especially Spider-Man. But that's not the point here. The point is, look at these drawings. They are bad. Yes, they are really bad. I mean, the paper quality is pretty bad. That's a different case. But the drawing is still not good enough. So if your drawings are also look like these drawings, you just need to follow 6 steps to improve your drawing from this to this. Step 1 is setting goals. Yes, this is the first and the most important thing if you are drawing anything or any character. So first, set a goal. Find your problem and then set your goal. Example, if you are bad at drawing poses, hands, faces, hairs, eyes, whatever. In my case, I was bad at drawing faces. At that time, look at these faces. It's not bad, kinda awful. Oh shit, what is this? It's kinda looks like a potato or something. Sorry Spider-Man, big fan bro. So after that you have to start drawing faces for a short period of time or a long period of time. It depends on you. So dedicating a little time to draw only faces for a bit. It's like a quick power up for your art abilities. Focusing on the expression and the features in a short burst helps you improve faster. It's like leveling up in your video games. These small goals give you wins along the way, making you feel awesome and keeping you excited to draw more. So just set your goal. Find your problem and then set your goal on that problem. The next step is consistent practicing. So let's talk about the super cool magic behind practicing drawing regularly. It's like doing a little bit every day, and trust me, it's like giving wings to your creativity. Imagine this: the more you draw, the more you sketch every day, the better you become. Yes, it's just simple as that. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting a little better. The more you practice, the more levels you unlock in your drawing skills. So grab your pens, pencils, whatever you use, and let's make drawing a daily adventure. You will be amazed at how awesome your drawings can get with a sprinkle of consistent practice. By practicing more, you can get from this to this. That's cool, right? So let's move on to the next step, which is learning from mistakes. Everybody do mistakes, even me. But what you have to do as an artist is to learn from the mistakes. And what you have to learn from the mistakes is that you have to learn how to hide your mistake. You see, everyone makes mistakes, but guess what? You can be a ninja and hide them like a pro. If you accidentally draw a wonky eye or poofy line, no worries, just turn it into a cool detail or add something extra cool to your drawing. It's like turning your worst drawing to a artistic surprise. So embrace the mistakes, be a drawing detective, and find the creative ways to cover them up. There is no need to worry about. It's all part of the journey to becoming an anime drawing master. Now, let's talk about the superhero sidekick of the improvement, which is seeking feedback. So imagine you're crafting an epic anime character, pouring your heart into every line. But hold up, there is a secret weapon: feedback. It's like having a team of mentors guiding you on your creative quest. First of all, feedback from others is a gold. Share your drawings with friends, fellow artists, or even online communities. And you can also share your drawings to me. I can also give you some feedback if you want. Just DM me or tag me into your drawing while posting. See, they'll spot things you might have missed or shower you with constructive advices. Now, feedback from yourself is equally crucial. Take a step back, look at your creation and ask what can be better. Maybe the eyes need more sparkle or the nose needs a dash of dynamism. It's about turning your drawing into a dialogue, a conversation where each stroke speaks volumes. Embrace the feedback both from fellow artists and your inner artist and watch your anime creations reaches to new heights. And in my case, I also ask you guys in my stories and in the comment section of my posts for the feedback. Now let's move on to the next step, which is experimenting with different styles and techniques. So imagine your art journey is like going on a big adventure playground. Trying different drawing styles is like testing out all the cool rides there. Sometimes you might want your drawings to look super real, like taking a photo. Other times, it's all about letting your imagination go wild with funky, abstract stuff. Think of it as trying on different outfits until you find the one that feels just right for you. It's not about being perfect right away. It's about having fun and seeing what you like. In my case, if you are following me from the start, then you might know that I use so many different art styles. Currently, I am using that smudge one. Look, every art style is different. So, try your different styles and enjoy the adventure of finding the one that makes your drawings uniquely awesome. And remember, every drawing you make is closer to finding your special artistic style. The next and the final step is utilizing online resources. Yeah, every artist use this, and you should also use the resources that are available online. Look, exploring the world of drawing becomes even more awesome when you tap into the treasure of online resources. Picture it as having a magical library right at your fingertips. There are tons of videos, tutorials, websites waiting to be your art buddies. You can also watch some of my tutorials. YouTube is like a superhero sidekick with step-by-step drawing tutorials from cool artists, and websites like Skillshare, and you can use also the Pinterest. Mostly I use Pinterest whenever I want to learn some new techniques or other stuff like coloring or whatever. Don't forget about the online communities. They are like friendly gatherings where you can share your art and get feedbacks and make art pals. Social media platforms, especially Instagram, Pinterest, are like virtual art galleries full of inspiration. So grab your virtual art toolbox, dive into these online heavens, and let the digital world supercharge your drawing skills. It's like having an art mentor available 24/7 in you on your artistic journey. So these are the 6 steps that helps me in improving my drawing skills from this level to this level. Let me just remind you the steps: setting in goals, consistent practicing, learning from the mistakes, seeking feedback, experimenting with different styles and techniques, and utilize online resources. Look, at the end of the day, this whole thing depends upon your efforts and time you give into learning a particular stuff, okay? So all you have to do is just practice. The more you practice, the more you improve. Remember, improvement is a continuous process, so keep pushing your boundaries and enjoy that journey. And feel free to share any tips for me in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. And good luck!